If the path of an irrigation canal is below the bed level of a natural stream, the type of cross drainage structure provided is. Cross drainage structures. In irrigation, we'll generally discuss the cross drainage structures. The different types of cross drainage structures is aqueduct, siphon aqueduct, super passage, siphon, level crossing. So now if you see aqueduct and siphon aqueduct, the simple way to remember is aqueduct and siphon aqueduct, canal will be above drainage, and whereas in super passage and siphon, canal will be below drainage. Drainage or natural stream, both mean same. Canal will be below drainage, whereas in level crossing type of sections, canal and will be approximately mixing with the drainages. And see the question here. He said the path of irrigation channel is below the bed level of stream. That means canal is below the stream. So it could be either super passage or siphon. And how you are going to decide whether it is super passage or siphon, it depends upon bed levels. If you take this as canal, this is canal bed level, total flood level, and if you take this as drainage, this is drainage bed level, this is high flood level, drainage bed level. And what he is saying, the path of a irrigation channel is below. That means the total flood level is below drainage bed level. If total flood level is below drainage flood level, total flood level is below the drainage bed level, then it is super passage. So first you have to see whether canal is flowing below or drainage is flowing below. Here canal is flowing below the drainage, so it would be either of these two things, super passage or siphon. And after that you have to read the question whether drainage bed level is above TFL or below TFL. If it is below TFL, that means if this is total flood level, or sometimes you'll call this as FSL also, full supply level or total flood level, both means same. So this is total flood level or full supply level, and this is drainage bed level. Now if you see here, full supply level is above drainage bed level, whereas here full supply level is below drainage bed level. So if FSL is below drainage bed level, it is super passage. If FSL is above drainage bed level, it is siphon. That means here the movement happens through siphonic action. That's why it is called siphon. The options given to your aqueduct, sluice gate, super passage, level crossing. So the answer is super passage. That is C. This is also a 1 mark question.